What's up, guys? It's me again. Not sure if the wind is an issue, but I'll come in the garage a little bit here. It's still cold out, and we have some things that we need to take care of, and I thought I would share how I take care of them with you because sometimes people have to fix things and they want to know how to do it. So I'll show you the issue. Oh, it's actually staying up. Well, it's not supposed to come down that easy. And a few weeks ago, we were all getting donked in the head by this when it would come down, so we need to change these out. It's a fairly easy and cheap fix. So let's get after it. First of all, I recommend doing one at a time. And you got to get a little screwdriver and pry this clip out here. This clip holds the end onto this ball. So you pry that out. Preferably not scratching the paint. And then this should pop out. Maybe not. Alright. We're going to set the phone down. The reason it was so difficult is because there's a lot of weight on it. And so if you can have another person hold the door up while you do this, it's much better. So now I have to do the same thing on the other end. Alright, I got one of them in. You want to make sure these clips are in tightly. Now, I strongly suggest that you have someone else help you. If they're as bad as these were, I had to prop this up on my head because I needed two hands to switch them out. So hopefully this one will hold up better than the old ones did. This one. So now let's do the other side. And for this side, what I'm going to do is try to just pry the clips out without popping it out, because the new ones do come with clips, so I'm not too worried about losing these or damaging them. They got little grooves in here that a small screwdriver fits into. And you just pop them out like this. And you want to make sure you pick these up. They could possibly cut the tire. I'll throw that away later. And then you just hold on to it with your head and pop it off. There you go. There's the old one. And yes, even though these are new shocks, I'm still holding this up with my head because it would come down. But I'm just going to take this new one and force it in there and try to find the other ball for this one. And I got to turn it a little bit because it's not quite lined up in the right position. And oh, I got to put the phone down. There it is. It stays up. Look at that. I can push it down halfway, it still stays up. much better. So there you have it, guys. Just another little minor repair that if you took it into a shop, they'd charge you a lot of money. We got these struts off Amazon for, I believe, 25 bucks for the set of two. And when I checked at the auto store, they were 35 bucks for one. And yeah, it's definitely something you can do by yourself. If you have somebody hold it up, it's much easier. But you know, if you rest it on your head and have two hands, and you're not filming it, it's much easier. So have a good week. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Tell all your friends. And for more Hyperion content, check the Hyperion source. IamHyperion.com. Check out my friend's channel at Hyperion Midnight. And Jan Erickson at Mindful Monad. They're all great Hyperion channels. And Ad Astra, my friends. Have a safe week.